Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have another mild day in store for us as we'll see those temperatures once again warming into the 80s. We've also got abundant cloudiness out there this morning that will slightly decrease as we go into the afternoon hours today, but for the most part, we'll see mostly cloudy conditions out there with those mild conditions as well on into the afternoon today. We'll look at our current surface analysis. You can see that front off to our west that will be moving closer to the Wallops region later today. And as a result, we'll see a few scattered showers possible by this evening into the overnight hours. We'll see also a slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm as we go into the evening hours, as we get a little bit of instability working its way into the area, but those chances are going to be pretty slim and really only for a short period of time there for the opportunity of seeing some embedded thunderstorms with those showers, as after midnight we'll see that instability decreasing and we should just be left with some rain shower activity as we go into the early morning hours of Friday. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, you can see those winds increasing with height, starting out at the low levels around 25 knots and then up to around 40 knots as we get up to 25,000 feet, where we see a westerly wind at that level. Freezing level this morning was at 12,400 feet. Looking at our radar, you can see really not any activity across the Delmarva this morning. We do see some rain shower activity in northern Virginia. All that activity looking to stay north of our area, and we expect that to be the case as we go throughout the day today, as most of that energy remains well north of the Wallops region. Looking at our live cam this morning off to our northeast, you can see pretty nice conditions out there. We do have quite a bit of cloudiness, but we do have those warm conditions with those temperatures warming into the 80s by this afternoon, and we will see those warm conditions continuing on into the evening hours ahead of that frontal boundary, with some slightly cooler conditions expected as we go into the day on Friday. Looking at our infrared satellite, you can see those clouds approaching from the west. We will see a little bit of a breakup in our clouds as we go into the afternoon, but as we go into the evening, those clouds will be on the increase once again, with those scattered showers lined up along the front as it moves through our region. So taking a look here at our long-range model, this is the GFS showing you kind of what we expect over the next several days. So as we go into the early morning hours of Friday, you can see some of the precipitation around here around 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. I think that'll be our best chance for seeing some rain. Again, this evening into the overnight could see a few scattered showers as well, but the chances are really not going to be very high with this event. We're looking at about a 40% chance of those showers occurring, as we're just not going to see really the forcing along the front or a lot of instability in here for these showers and storms to really get fired up as they go across the area this evening along that frontal boundary. So looking at dry conditions expected for Friday, everything should be off the coast by around 8 o'clock in the morning, and we will see those winds picking up pretty quickly during the morning hours of Friday. So a wind advisory is likely as we go through the day on Friday, as we'll see those winds gusting well over 25 knots throughout the day. Let's go into the evening hours. Friday into early Saturday morning, we'll see a pretty chilly night as that cold air will really fill into the region, and we will set ourselves up for a cooler day on Saturday, as we'll see highs in the 60s, which for this time of year is right around normal. But after a week where we have seen some record-breaking temperatures yesterday, tying that record of 85 degrees for a daytime high, it'll feel quite a bit cooler for your Saturday, especially with those breezy to windy conditions. Sunday, we'll see the warm weather return as high pressure reestablishes itself off the southeast coast, and we will see warm conditions continuing into next week. Now, as we get into the first part of next week and into the middle of the week, we'll see a couple of upper level disturbances move through the region, sparking some rain shower activity. Models right now are not in real good agreement on when those showers will occur, if they will occur at all. But right now, looking like as we get into Monday night and into Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll see the chance of some scattered showers. Certainly not a all-day rain event for either day, but as you can see, the model is picking up on some of those disturbances moving across the Wallops region during that time. Taking a look here at our next 24 hours and what we can expect. Again, the rain chances pick up later this evening after 8 o'clock. Could see a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm during that time frame before midnight tonight. So only looking at about a 10% chance of that occurring, but we will see about a 40% chance of those rain showers, especially during the early morning hours of Friday before sunrise, as we will see those showers moving out of the area by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Again, those winds will be picking up. They'll be quite breezy today as well, but probably just under the 25 knot criteria for a wind advisory. But we will see a pretty likely scenario of a wind advisory during the day on Friday as those winds pick up, and we see winds possibly gusting up to around 35 miles per hour throughout the day. So we go into the weekend, we'll see those temperatures begin to recover after Saturday's cooler high temperature of 65 and a pretty chilly overnight low of 44. Sunday looking at highs in the upper 70s and then mid upper 70s and even low 80s possible by the beginning to middle portion of next week. Right now, more clouds expected for Monday through Wednesday with the chance of some scattered showers as well. Could see some thunderstorms embedded in there as well for especially the Tuesday into Wednesday time frame as we get some more instability working into the area. And right now, looking at pretty mild temperatures during the day and overnight, as we'll see those overnight lows just falling into the 60s for the beginning of next week. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.